Huh.
Oh, there's the two Omni as well together.
Oh yeah, right.
You don't want us to be lit though.
Yes.
Turn the wheels like the other way. Put one in reverse and one in drive. You could parallel park like so easy though.
So easy.
Oh yeah, you got 2 people?
If you had 2 people.
Hey, correct. We're sitting there.
Yeah.
We're both got a beer. Like turn your wheels that way. Okay. Slide right into parallel parking.
The original sidewalk.
Yeah. Oh, what house of Ryan?
So this one is a 1978 Omni 4-door with a 1979 Horizon 4-door. 2 motors. Huh. That's cool.
You know what this is? Drink?
Yeah.
And we have a, like, Barry comes up with this ridiculous ideas. This is what happens. It's the manifestation. It sounds like.